Active transport. Movement of molecules or ions against concentration gradient from lower to higher concentration. Movement from lower to higher concentration required energy. This energy in the form of ATP. Endocytosis, exocytosis, and sodium potassium pump are a type of active transport. These all processes required energy. Active transport required a carrier protein molecule for their movement. Passive transport. Movement of molecules or ions down concentration gradient from higher concentration to lower concentration, from higher to lower concentration. This process do not require any kind of energy. Osmosis and simple diffusion are a type of passive transport. They do not require any protein carrier molecule. Sedentary diffusion also a type of passive transport, but this type required a protein carrier molecule for transport of molecules or ion from higher concentration to lower concentration.